Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Huge people asks, where is the settings camera to Facebook or not access my Facebook page on camera icon. The Facebook page open and Reels option click, but no Reels create by Facebook page. When click Reels option, then permission to camera access, but I don't know camera permission on Facebook. So very easy and simple way. This video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. First, search your mobile phone display and setting icon. When get setting icon and this setting, click this option. When click setting icon and this interface showing your mobile phone display and search setting and click apps and search. Already this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now apps option click and this interface showing your mobile phone display. This mobile Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus and another mobile directly not open your apps. Manage apps option. When get manage app option, then this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now search apps option. Click the search apps option and type Facebook and upper side showing Facebook icon. Click the Facebook icon and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now permission option click and this interface showing mobile phone display. Where access camera one Facebook page Reels option. Click the access camera option. Another mobile showing only camera, not access camera. One Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus showing settings option showing access camera. And when done this option, then click while using the apps and back to your Facebook page. Hopefully your problem is solved. Please do not forget to subscribe.